Alright, we're gonna make some ghee clarified butter real quick. I mentioned this in probably some other recipes that we're gonna use this for things like schnitzel, to pretty much fry our schnitzel in. So you can use high quality butter if you want to add this to specific meals. As we're just gonna use this particular one for frying items, I went with a low quality butter. This is unsalted. You don't really want to use salted butter because it will give you that overall saltiness, and it's going to be difficult to control how salty your food will get. So we're going to stick with unsalted butter. All we're going to do is we're going to cut these into like little cubes real quick so we can melt this in our pot on a low flame. So let me get this all like unpacked and unwrapped and cubed up real quick. As well, we turn on low flame here and get that slowly melted down. And if you're slightly lactose intolerant, you can use ghee as an alternative to regular butter, because we're going to filter out pretty much all the milk solids. Container for the little milk solids and all the foam that's going to come off this. Strain it a little bit. Some cheesecloth. I think I have some somewhere. Joanne's here by the foot.
So you're cutting cheesecloth for the strainer?
I'm cutting some cheesecloth for the strainer.
Okay.
So we can get the milk solids out later. You can use like a paper towel if you wanted to. Maybe even a coffee filter.
Okay.
Foam on top. We're going to try to get the foam off here little by little.
Just like pulling the froth off the top?
Yep, just trying to get that off the top.
Okay.
And the milk solids will settle to the bottom of this. And we'll give, like, once we have everything melted and this clean up, and the milk solids have settled, you're going to turn up the heat a little bit and caramelize those milk solids on the bottom. And kind of add a nice little toffee aroma to the ghee here. So Indian cuisine uses a lot of the ghee. So if you're using it in to mix it into the food, you can get the higher quality butter and do this. So like organic, unsalted, grass-fed.
The good snacking butter.
The good snacking butter. So we got like a little bit of simmer going on, which is good. We don't want to get the butter too hot at this point. So don't bring it above its smoking point. We want to keep this around probably 230 Fahrenheit. Turn this guy on. Insta-read where we at. So we want to be between 220 and 240. Oh, not quite.
Not quite.
It's alright though. It's all melted. Get some more foam coming up here. Yeah. Also coming up the temperature. Look at all that foam. Alright, now we're gonna turn this on. The butter has melted. I got most of the froth off, so I'm gonna keep skimming this off. But we are at good temperature, so we're gonna bring this up to like kind of reach 260. So we're gonna turn it to like half high. We like it 210-ish. We like it 211, 214, so 220. Yeah, probably gonna reach 220. We're gonna get this up to like 260, which then is gonna start caramelizing the milk solids on the bottom. And then we're like ready to strain it. And we want to keep an eye on it Once it starts smelling like toffee, we're gonna take it off. So once it gets golden on the bottom here, well, the butter looks golden, but like once it gets a little darker, we're gonna turn this off and then we're gonna start straining it. It looks solid from the bottom. We're starting to caramelize. I'm gonna check our temperature here real quick. Probably like close to 260, 262. So yeah, we can start turning this off. Skim one more time here, whatever we can find. Let's put this in here. See how it looks all just like caramelized on the bottom here. Well, this is pretty clear, right? We're going to put this into just a pint jar. Any mason jar will do that can hold this. So let's do this slowly so we don't crack it, right? Slow on. Temper it. There you have it. Some homemade ghee clarified butter. So we'll put the lid on. Now we'll use this for our frying needs. Ghee clarified butter. Easy peasy.